baby bus! Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
A late-night intruder. Late at night, it was raining cats and dogs. In the guardhouse of the Sunflower Kindergarten, Guard Giraffe was taking a nap, snoring. Suddenly, someone roused him with a gentle push.
Huh? Ah! Who's there? No one can get into Sunflower Kindergarten without Guard Giraffe's permission!
Guard Giraffe sprang to his feet, rubbed his eyes, and saw Sheriff Labrador standing in front of him.
It's me, Guard Giraffe.
Huh? Sheriff Labrador? What are you doing here so late?
Well, after school, I received several requests for help from nearby families, and I was just about to go home after a busy night when it started raining. My belongings are still in the office. Guard Giraffe, would you mind opening the gate so I can go in and get them?
Oh, you work so hard, Sheriff Labrador. Let me get the door for you.
Guard Giraffe pulled out the key and was about to open the gate. But with a mere push of his hand, the door opened.
Huh? The gate is unlocked. Oh no, something's not right. I locked it after school.
Let me take a look. This doesn't look right. Somebody picked the lock.
What?
Guard Giraffe suddenly felt very worried. Sheriff Labrador calmly looked around and noticed that there was a trail of large, deep footprints on the ground heading in the direction of the kindergarten.
I think there is a big, tall intruder who found his way into the kindergarten while Guard Giraffe dozed off. And no footprints heading out. He should still be here. Let's go and catch this guy red-handed, Guard Giraffe.
Sheriff Labrador and Guard Giraffe followed the footprints all the way to the door to Ms. Lop Rabbit's office. Sheriff Labrador peeked through the crack in the partly open door into the room and saw that it was a complete mess with stuff strewn all over the floor. A clumsy oinker holding a dim flashlight was throwing valuables into a sack at his feet.
This is a huge score. All this stuff is worth a lot of money.
Clumsy Oinker, you are under arrest on the charge of burglary. You're gonna have to come with me to the police station.
Oh, God, what is Sheriff Labrador doing here so late?
At the sight of Sheriff Labrador, Clumsy Oinker jumped out of his skin, and his hair stood on end. About to be apprehended by Sheriff Labrador, Clumsy Oinker suddenly noticed that although the door was blocked, there was a window that opened into the hallway.
Go to the police station? Not until you catch me!
Clumsy Oinker dropped his sack and escaped from the office through the window. But instead of running out of the kindergarten, he turned and hid in a classroom. Clumsy Oinker was up to something.
They must think I've gotten away. When they leave, I'll go back and get my sack.
Clumsy Oinker is in the classroom.
Oh no, he's on to me. I've got to get out of here.
Clumsy Oinker is in the utility room.
He's found me again.
Clumsy Oinker is in the bathroom.
Oh no! Oh no! Why me?
To shake Sheriff Labrador, Clumsy Oinker skulked around the kindergarten, hiding from place to place. But no matter how hard Clumsy Oinker tried, Sheriff Labrador could pinpoint his precise location every time.
Oh my, this is too weird. How is Sheriff Labrador always able to find me?
Clumsy Oinker ran all over the campus and then back to Miss Lop Rabbit's office. When he saw his footprints on the ground, he realized that his shoes were covered in mud and water. So he was leaving footprints wherever he went.
Oh, it was my footprints that gave me away. Well, if I take off my shoes, Sheriff Labrador won't be able to find me. That's it. They've got to go.
Clumsy Oinker proudly took off his shoes and threw them aside. He was about to hide away somewhere. But before Clumsy Oinker had gone a few steps, he howled in pain.
Oh my God, it hurts! Oh, worst pain ever!
After hearing the screams, Sheriff Labrador and Guard Giraffe hurried over and saw a clumsy oinker sitting on the ground, holding his injured foot and crying. It turned out that after Clumsy Oinker took off his shoes, he just so happened to step on a thumbtack, screaming in excruciating pain.
My foot it's bleeding! Oh, why is there so much stuff all over the floor, huh?
Hey, don't you remember? It was you who made all this mess.
Oh, what?
Clumsy Oinker, shoes help protect our feet. It is very easy to get injured by sharp objects if you don't wear shoes, especially in a messy place.
Guard Giraffe bandaged Clumsy Oinker's wounds and brought in some equipment to clean up the office. Then Sheriff Labrador stepped forward and handcuffed Clumsy Oinker.
Clumsy Oinker, you are arrested on suspicion of burglary. I'll take you to the police station now.
Mini episode on safety.
Woof!
Today, Ms. Lop Rabbit will take us on an outing to the park. But I don't like the looks of the shoes my mother bought me. I'm gonna take them off and walk barefoot.
Me too! I'm gonna take mine off too! I don't like my shoes either. I like to be barefoot!
Gray Donkey, Doodle Bear, you shouldn't do that. It's not a good idea. Time to learn safety with Sheriff Labrador. Shoes help protect our feet. Our feet may get injured by hard, sharp objects such as sticks and rocks on the ground if we are barefoot outdoors or in a messy room. So in order to protect our feet, don't take off your shoes for the sake of looks.